How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're getting closer to our main focus event here. That's heading into next week. Next Tuesday or Wednesday, I believe. But for starters, let's just look at today. We had some normal thunderstorms in Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and then some more in Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, Virginia, West Virginia, and parts of Pennsylvania. And we had a marginal risk in Ohio, Kentucky, and West Virginia. The hail was less than 5% in all areas. There was a small 5% wind threat, meaning there's a 5% chance that you saw wind gusts of 50 knots or higher within 25 miles of any given point in this brown. And there was less than 2% chance of seeing a tornado in any area. So that was for today. Tomorrow, it's back over here in California, just some normal thunderstorms. Tornado, wind, and hail threats are all less than 5% or 2%. So nothing too crazy tomorrow. Saturday, it's now in Arizona, Nevada, Utah, Colorado, New Mexico. Probabilistic less than 5% of seeing significant severe weather within 25 miles of the point. So Saturday looks fairly calm too. Day 6. This is the day. As you can see, we have a large 15% chance, a large slight risk of seeing significant severe weather within 25 miles of a point. And then we also have a pretty large 30% or enhanced risk of seeing significant severe weather within 25 miles of a point. Here you got your enhanced, your slight risk. Day 7, we have a large 15% chance, a large slight risk of seeing significant weather within 25 miles of a given point. So, day 6, target area is going to be Texas, Arkansas, Mississippi, Louisiana, and then the more broad area, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, Kentucky, Tennessee, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, Texas. And day 7, looks like a little bit of Maryland, Virginia, almost all of North Carolina, all of South Carolina, Georgia, Mississippi, maybe parts of Florida. Just don't know yet. And then by day 8, the system's out of the area. So look at some computer models here. We get closer to the event. So we're at March 4th. Yeah, so the day of, as you can see here, the storm. So a couple days out, so the sounding's not going to be too potent up until a couple days before, but if there's a potential for a tornado outbreak, it's going to be right kind of within here. Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas, Texas will be the prime area for. More so, maybe Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, maybe some Tennessee parts will be the primary for a tornado outbreak if one is to happen. It looks pretty significant that it could happen. But weather's also really confusing, so it could change up really fast on us here. It's all just dependent on how the jet stream in the trough looks heading into the event. But heading into the trough is very potent. I mean, holy cow. There'll be a lot of shear, a lot of wind shear. You got supercells rotating and dropping tornadoes and just large hail. Destructive winds. So Model show mid March could be very active in Dixie Alley, which is normal for Dixie Alley. Um, I mean, you can see, look how deep this digs down. Ugh, and it comes back up. And that creates this big trough right here, and it brings all this from down here in the Gulf moisture rising up. This moving in. It's all just so. We'll see if the severe weather parameters have changed any. If you look at Cape, um, it. Oh wow. I mean, parameters aren't set, but I mean, there's a quite a bit of Cape up here in Kansas, but everything's down here. Um. Oh wow, look at that. So anything here could get pretty nasty as it moves off. So Cape looks pretty favorable for some severe weather. Let's see what the supercell composite shows for the day. Um, Storms start to fire up. Do the night. They fire up some more, and they really fire up. I mean, look at this. Oh my goodness. I mean, the probability of seeing an EF2 plus tornado with supercell. We the parameters are off the charts. Holy crap. This day is going to be very active. Oh my goodness. I mean, look at the spin in the atmosphere from 0 to 1. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this has completely changed from what it looked like a week ago. Holy crap. Okay, we're dealing with something here. Dealing with something huge here. Oh my goodness. Possible hazard type tornado. Yeah, no kidding. Parameters are set for EF3, maybe even low end EF4 tornadoes. Holy crap. Yeah, this is something we're going to need to watch and keep our eyes on because this is something that's got the potential to be big. In not good ways either. Um, don't like the looks of that. I mean, this is high end parameter signals based on. I mean, look at this. We've got 0.38, 0.36 on these two in the red. I mean, this is going to be a big day. Um, anybody who lives in this area, tell them that they need to start planning ahead now. Um, because this is ridiculous. This is still just under a week out, and it's already looking like a very violent day. So, the cape that they have, my word, about 1,300 joules per kilogram almost. I mean, holy cow. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if you could see more textbook sound for potential tornado outbreak than this. I mean, Cape is nearing 1,500 joules per kilogram. We've got a bunch of parameters showing that hey, the chances of seeing a significant tornado are high. I mean, and this is still going to change. I mean, we're still 5, 6, 7 days out from this event, so this is still going to change drastically. Sadly, let's look at the shear for the bulk shear for the event, just to see what the storms will be working with. Oh my goodness. They're gonna be working with a lot. Holy cow! Jeez, dude. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I mean this is just man, this is not looking good. This looks like a big day. Next Tuesday, Wednesday, or Wednesday, is it Wednesday? Next Tuesday, Wednesday, or Wednesday, Thursday? Hold, now I'm confused because I've seen different things. Okay, today, tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Tuesday. So Tuesday's the day. Wednesday could also be a pretty significant day. It's all dependent on how stuff plays out. But Tuesday for sure is gonna be a big day. Um, like I said, I'll run through as it gets closer. I'll run through more models in my free time to see what time they think they're gonna. They think storms will fire up, and then we'll go from there. I want to hopefully live stream this, but with school and all that, I don't know how easy that's gonna happen. Oh, I can't get to the day yet. Crap. HRRR does not allow us to get that far, and the NAM doesn't even gets us 2 days out. Dang it! At the NAM 3 kilometer. This might get us closer. That puts us 3 days out. And, oh, this might be perfect. If this could get us to the day of. Nope. But this will be the one to look at. The HRW, WRF, ARW. Be the one to look at, especially for the severe weather. This one get us to the day? I don't think so. No, so we only got one, and it's just the GFS. This is the only one that can get us to the day we need. So yeah, I mean this is it's gonna, without a doubt, gonna be a big day. So keep you on your toes and keep everybody you know on their toes and let them know. But I think that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy, make sure to hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you're new and you haven't already. Tell your friends and family about the channel and the videos, as severe weather season is back upon us starting next week. So now more than ever is it important to be weather aware and stay safe during these types of events. Um, but yeah, that's gonna do it for me. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.